How to open Bank of America account online. So if you want to open Bank of America account online, then just follow the steps. First, open up your preferred browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Bank of America. Once you search here, you will have www.bankofamerica.com on the first search. Click on that search and it will take you to the website. Once you're here, now you just need to simply go with the left side which has open an account option. Click on that and it will take you to open an account page where you can simply choose the checkings and savings account or credit cards, home loans, auto loans, small business, or marital investing. You can simply choose any one. For example, I'll be choosing checkings and savings account. Click on get started with your preferred account. And now you just need to simply scroll down and you can choose from these three. You can go with safe balance banking or simple banking or the advantage plus banking, which is flexible, and advantage relationship banking, which is comprehensive. You can simply go with any one of these. You can have the differences right here below. So just compare and then go with the account that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing the normal, which is simple banking. Go with open account. So before entering, you just need to simply go with zip code. Once you enter the zip code, click on go. And now, if you want to add Bank of America Advantage savings account, then just simply click on yes. Or if you want the Bank of America Advantage safe banking account, then just go with this one. So you can simply choose any one of these. And then you need to enter your offer code if you have your offer code. And if you don't have, then just simply go with go to application. And here you will have the application. So once you're here, you just need to simply enter your first name, middle name, and last name. So enter your name. Once you enter the name, you just need to simply go with your suffix. So you can add it if you want to, and then go with date of birth and enter your date of birth according to the month, date, and year. And go with the contact information. You need to enter the address line, city, state, and the zip code. Scroll down and go with your phone number type. If it's a mobile number, go with mobile or home or work, and enter the email address and re-enter your email address. And then if you are a US citizen, go with yes, or if you are not, go with no. And if you have a dual citizenship, you can simply go with yes or no. And you need to enter your country of residence and your employment and finances. Once you've done all of these, once you fill all of these, you just need to simply go with continue. Once you're done with the first step, it will take you to the second step where you will be taken to the account setup. You need to enter your account preferences. And then after that, you just need to simply go with continue again, which will be on the bottom. And it will take you to the third step where you will have the terms and conditions. So just simply read the terms and conditions carefully. And after that, it will take you to the review and submit page where you will need to submit the application. And once you've submitted, then your account will be created. So that's how you can open Bank of America account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.